Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your multifunctional steering wheel in your 2020 Lexus NX300. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the steering wheel, of course. And what we're going to do, we're going to start on the left-hand side steering wheel. So, let me show you guys. So this is the increase button right here. If you want to press on it, it will increase the volume. And if you want to press on that, on the bottom one, it will decrease the volume. And you will actually see it right there. When you increase or decrease your volume, it will show you the volume level that you have. And this is to change your tracks. And the mode button changes the radio type. So for example, if you want to go to Sirius XM or AM FM, just click on it and it will show you what kind of source, what kind of radio source you have. Currently I'm in Bluetooth, and yeah, and this right here to answer the volume or answer your phone call, and this is to decline it. Voice command, and if you're an Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, it will do the voice commands for those brands. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, this controls your digital dash in the middle. So let me go back, let me press using back. You can scroll through all these things, the info, the compass, your Bluetooth or your audio stuff, and your lane keeping assist. And you got it all right here. And you got your parking sensors, cruise control, and for this one you also have the automatic steering wheel controls, so you can adjust it forward, backwards, up and down. And this of course is your paddle shifter, so if you ever want to manually shift your gears, you are definitely free to do so. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the quick overview on how to use your multifunctional steering wheel. And my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.